Powerful, refreshing, eco-friendly. Come experience the best shower on the market. Massage your body with a strong, powerful stream of Airjet pressure. Airjet Shower Head Advanced Green Technology guarantees to give you a full blast shower pressure and still be green by saving up to 40% water. Airjet technology utilizes an internal vacuum valve located at the base of each shower head. This patented device operates under the Venturi effect of fluid mechanics. First, air intake occurs at the base, then compressed through the vacuum valve, and finally expanded rapidly at the top of the shower head to give an explosive pressure without using more water. Thanks to Airjet technology, you can finally enjoy a shower with an endless stream of full blast pressure. As sensational as a small waterfall, without using more water. Airjet Shower Head Advanced Green Technology is proud to be the first and only shower head to incorporate the internal vacuum valve, utilizing the Venturi effect. This technology guarantees high pressure and still saves 40% water. In a water savings comparison test, under the same pressure and in the same amount of time, a normal shower head fills up in a jug, while the Airjet shower head only uses half of the water. This classic design is perfect for any home. Convenient, durable, economical, and sustainable with our anti-clog system. Take Airjet shower head home today and experience a sensational shower tonight.